Good morning everyone. My name is Devai Rajyalakshmi, DL in Mathematics, CDWRBC, Development Private System. So today I am going to give the class first year, first sem, second unit, maximum and minimum function of two variables. So in this we have four steps to find out this function of maximum and minimum values. So first step one, for any function, first step one we have to find with respect to x and with respect to y, dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y. And step two, we have to equal these two equal to 0. So for this here we find x and y values. And step three is what we did in step one, second and derivative. So with respect to x, so that is known as r equal to dou square f by dou x square, and s is dou square f by dou x dou y. First step one only we take this r, and last is t equal to dou square f by dou y square. So and the last step is what? Step 4 is if r s t. So first one and last one rt minus s square. So first one and last one multiplication minus second one is square. So in this step 4, what when we take the function as maximum or minimum values. So if rt minus s square greater than 0 and r also greater than 0, the function has maximum values. If in case rt minus s square greater than 0, greater than is positive, and r less than 0, so the function has minimum values. So or in case rt minus s square less than 0, only less than 0, the function has no extreme values. So last step is rt minus s square equal to 0, so there is no maximum or minimum values. So here in step 4, very important steps is first one and second one. Some problem will explain how we find out maximum and minimum values. Second problem is show that minimum value of function u equal to xy plus a cube by x plus a cube by y is 3a². So let u equal to xy plus a cube by x by a cube by y. Already we know what are the steps. So first step is what we have to find out with respect to x and with respect to y. So the function f of x comma y equal to with respect to x. So xy plus a cube by x plus a cube by y. So with respect to x, dou f by dou x. So here with respect to x means 1 into y plus a cube into 1 by x. 1 by x is nothing but 1 minus 1 by x cube. So dou f by dou x equal to y plus x minus a cube by x cube. So this is dou f by dou x. So similarly dou f by dou y. Dou f by dou y equal to with respect to y. So with respect to y means here y is 1. So x into 1 plus and the second term is 0. So there is no y terms, and the last term is a cube into 1 by y. 1 by y is minus 1 by y square. So dou f by dou y equal to x plus into minus minus a cube by y square. So here second step. Step 2. Step 2 is what? Dou f by dou x equal to 0 and dou f by dou y equal to 0. So here we are equaling this term with 0. Y minus a cube by x square equal to 0. And dou f by dou y also 0. No? So x minus a cube by y square equal to 0. So here we transfer this term left to right. So y equal to a cube by x square equal to a cube, and here with respect to y, dou f by dou y. So transposing this denominator right to left, x y square equal to a cube. Take this as 1 and this as 2. So from 1 and 2, so here a cube is equaling a by x cube, and in second equation also a cube be equal to x y square. So I am taking this one equal. So x square y equal to x y square. So x square y minus x y square equal to 0. I am taking common here x and y. So x y common is x minus y equal to 0. And xy equal to 0, x minus y equal to 0. That means x equal to 1. So here we have x and these two are equal. So take this as a. Say. So here function point is what? X and y are same, no? Equal. So x comma y equal to a comma a. A comma a. Third step. In third step what? Second time derivative. So third step, step 3. Step 3 is dou square f by dou x square as step f r. Dou square f by dou y square equal to t, and dou square f by dou x dou y equal to yes. So if dou f by dou x equal to y minus a cube by x cube. So second time. So r equal to dou square f by dou x square. So that means second time derivation is with respect to x. First one is 0 and minus a cube into dou by dou x of 1 by x cube. So here minus a cube. So here what? Minus 2 by x cube. So student, x power minus 2. So x power minus 2 is minus 2 x power minus 2 minus 1. So minus 2 x power minus 3. That means minus 2 by x cube. So minus into minus is plus. So 2a cube by x cube. So this is dou square f by dou x square, that is r. R equal to 2a square a cube by x cube. So already we find here point x comma y equal to a comma e. So here I am substituting x value. F of x comma y equal to a comma a. Sorry, x comma y equal to a comma a. So here x is a. So r equal to 2a cube by a cube. So x is a, no? So I am substituted here a value. So a cube is cancelled and r equal to 2. So r equal to 2 is greater than 0. And next, dou square f by dou y square. So this is s. S equal to dou square f by dou y square. So remember x minus a cube by y square. So with respect to y means here first is 0. Then a cube into dou by dou y into 1 by y square. So similarly here dou by dou x into 1 by x square is what? Minus 2 by x cube. So same as here minus a cube into minus 2 by y square. Y cube, sorry. So minus into minus is plus. So 2a cube by y cube. So this is s. So here also I am substituting with this point instead of 5 a. So s equal to 2a cube by by q. So point is a comma a no. So x y. So f value is a. So s is a 2aq by aq. Here also aq will cancel. Therefore s equal to a. And then find in step 3, you have to find dou square f by dou x dou. Sorry, this is so then s equal to dou square f by dou x dou y. So that means we can take dou f by dou x with respect to y or dou f by dou y with respect to x. Anything. So I am taking here dou f by dou x, dou by dou y into with this dou y by dou f by dou x. So dou by dou y. Dou f by dou x is y minus aq by x2. Y minus aq by x2. So with respect to minus here, answer is what? 1. So finally, s equal to 1. So now with the help of this r, s, t values, we have to check whether this has minimum value or maximum value or extreme values. So r equal to 2, s equal to 1 and t equal to 2. So first condition is 1, last one and first one is multiplication, rt minus s square. So rt minus s square, r is 2 and t 2 minus s is 1 square, that is 4 minus 1 equal to 3, means greater than 0. So rt minus s square greater than 0, and already find out here r value. R is 1, 2 greater than 0. That means r greater than 0. In condition in step 4, condition is what? If rt minus s square greater than 0, r greater than 0, this function has minimum values. So hence to show that minimum value of this function. So if these two are greater than 0, so the function have minimum values. And now finally we have to check the function is if dA square is not. So first is what? U equal to xy plus aq by x plus aq by 1. So your point is x comma y equal to a comma a. So substituting instead of x and y, a and b. So u equal to a into a plus aq by a plus aq by a. So a square. So here 2aq by a. So here aq plus 2a. No, sorry. 2aq. Sorry. So here cancelling. So a square plus a square plus a square. So finally u equal to 3a square.